In today's video, I show you guys how to upgrade NFS Most Wanted 2005 with the Plak Graphics Mod to get sharper visuals, better lighting, and a modern high-speed look. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, check the download Plak Graphics for NFS Most Wanted, check download archive. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close up here and right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Before doing this, make sure you have the clean unmodded copy of the game and then just drag and drop these files. Replace the file in the destination and select do this and select continue. Now just scroll down and right click on the Plak Graphics configurator and select run as administrator. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes. Plak Graphics has successfully installed. Select OK. These are paid versions of the game. You can play free on Plak Graphics trial. This is ultimate trial. You can play ultimate time, so you don't need to worry about anything. Select the Plak Graphics trial and select the play option. Select the yes option. Once you are in game, load your profile and go to options and go to video and time of the day. You can change the time of the day. Resolution, make sure you selected the monitor's native resolution and then press the 2 key to go to advanced and scroll down. Full screen anti-aliasing set to max, texture filtering set to max, VSync on, value level of details max, road reflection details max, shadow detail max, core geometry details high, core reflection detail high, core reflection update rate set this to max, rain effect off, overbright off, visual treatment low, and then press enter. Select the yes option. And now I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.